Somebody, please call me back, okay? And the big man. Yeah, call me back, okay? I'm breaking no man, because 1 minute, okay? So we are back. No time, please. Five minutes, okay? Let me shove the time now so that everyone can contribute, okay? So give me a call. Give me a call. Let's hear from you. In a relationship, who cheats the most? Men or women? Baba Charlie is here. Agomba one. All hair Biafra. So in a relationship, I think women cheat most. No doubt. All the time when guys come here and they talk say, nah, guys, bro, now women cheat pass. No doubt. Kojo, I'm trying to connect you, Kojo. I'm calling Kojo right away. He's calling me. I'm trying to connect you, man. So if you want to contribute, send me a request. I will call you immediately so that let's hear from you. You know, Tony, I greet you. Tony, welcome. Whoa. Please tell us your name and where you're coming from, please.
Yeah, Zubi, this is Kojo calling from Moscow.
Well, big shout out to you, Kojo, calling from Moscow. Big shout out to my Moscow family watching right now. Please, my brother, just a money question show with Don Zubi, and our question and our topic goes this way. In a relationship, who cheats most, men or women? Hold up, please. I go back to your 4G, please. Go back to your 4G. Whoa. Please, can you go back to your 4G? Please, can you go back to your 4G?
But I can hear you.
Okay. Go ahead, please.
Zubi, pardon me. Before I answer your question.
Hello, bro. Please, before you say anything, I would like you to answer our topic. Okay, just go on our topic. After our topic, if you have anything you want to say, you say. Okay.
Okay. All right. You see, this question you are asking. In a way, I'll first say that it's a rhetorical question because rhetorical question that if you cannot even explain, you understand. But if you want to explain, or if I want to be honest, I think men cheat more than women. Honestly.
Hello.
Men cheat more than women, Zubi.
I don't know whether you guys can hear him, but I hardly hear you, bro.
Hello, men cheat more than women. Men cheat more than women.
Whoa, hold up, please go ahead. Give us the reason why, please.
Men cheat more than women. You see, Zubi, automatically.
Young King, no I see you. Big shout out to you, Young King.
You understand?
Kodo, please, can you go back to your 4G, please?
But you are hearing me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, men cheat more than women. It's 100%.
Okay, give us your reason. Give us the reason why.
You see, Zubi, women cheat with a reason. Before a woman would cheat, you see, when a woman loves a man, you travel outside probably for a year or even more. If the woman loves you and have that trust for you, she will stay without a man until you come. But when a man travels overseas, or a man even travels out for business, or a man even travels out for business, Zubi, he not get after the bee, he must fuck. He not get after the bee, but woman no go do am. Let's be frank and sincere. Woman no go do am. It's the honest truth. Woman will always cheat with reason, but men can never cheat with a reason.
So what reason? Sorry, my brother. What reason will make a woman to go and cheat? Can you give me one reason why a woman will get reason to cheat?
It's a lot. Honestly speaking, you see, or I'm going to see that means is it will not be just a day.
I'm calling you after Kojo. I'm bringing Ogachale after Kojo, please.
It will not
Don't Baba J. Claus, I see you. Respect.
Yes, Zubi, see, look at it this way. Let's say you are my girlfriend. You are a woman, I'm a man.
They say they cannot hear you, Kojo. Kojo, they say they cannot hear you, please. Kojo, please, I will add you back, okay? Just is really I don't know the kind of network Kojo, my friend, is using. I don't know, but all I can tell you is to go back to your 4G, please. So I'm calling Agu Jebe, one of Russia, Moscow City. Oh, hey, Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra. He said he will be here at 12. 12 is, this is 14 minutes after 12. Please, guys, please send a request if you want to contribute. Please, don't take it personal. Zagi, please, Zagi, stay tuned. I will call you, okay? Zagi, just hold up. Whoa! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please tell us your name and where you're hailing us from, please, sir.
I be Agu Jebe from Moscow here. Before I will say anything now, I want you to differentiate something here. You're not supposed to say man and woman who cheat most.
Okay.
You're supposed to say what make woman cheat.
Okay.
Because man can never stop cheating.
Whoa, please, sir, please, before you go ahead, please, does a morning question show with Don Zubi, and we welcome you in the name of the Lord and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Please, our topic goes this way: in a relationship, who cheat most, men or women? But you are giving us an correction now. Please go ahead with your correction, please.
And everybody is coming here saying man cheat, because maybe the girlfriend they here make every dog they eat shit, but who eat carry from mouth is the issue. There's no man when they shit, including me. But when you shit, respect your woman, make her be your priority in life. Number one.
What?
Secondly, what we're supposed to talk here is what make woman shit. What is the cause? When I say something, I use facts and we use myself do example. For example, when I came here at Nuri, I have a Russian girl. As who's you the first time now. Every day I feed them I can 5, 10. I know I think say how you go be. You get away the rich, and I know if you even do even 3 in a week. Problem start. A mama come. Tell me, say, if I want make I do a day, make we no quarrel. Then the girl go work, I carry my bag alone. When I get my new woman, I change the pattern. So where I'm going is that when you have a girlfriend or a woman, try to minimize the way you talk to her. The story you tell her about your friends, about other people. I'm the only black man who marry white and black official. 2 of them know each other because I tell them the fact. I know they lie. You get my point?
Hold up, please go ahead.
So now the problem we have here, I want to give another example. Is some of us that marry Oyibo, our Oyibo hate black girls. Why? Because of what some of us telling our wife about black girls, which is very bad. You get my point? So what make woman shit in my own way is that because there's nobody where you go put sugar from what we go through her. If you treat your woman very good, I don't see the reason why she will cheat on you. Okay, if you take care of your woman, I don't see the reason why she will cheat on you. If you are not compare your woman with the other girls, I don't see the way your woman will cheat on you. The point here is that sometimes women use mouth provoke man. You get my point?
Okay.
But the issue here is that there's waiting a woman go fuck where never fuck before. Because sometimes people think that because of fucking, the problem of woman is one thing. I want to give woman 2 advice. When you get a man, any man that asks you outside, that you tell that you have a boyfriend, never give her your number. Because that number you need the first day. If you get that number, Satan day very bad. Maybe the day when you go get problem with your man, maybe that day Satan go try to make a call you. He go call you, don't finish.
Hold up, please go ahead.
Secondary, when you have problem with your man, make they tell your friends, because some of your friends hate your man. When we are small, when a woman marry, believe me, it don't have anything to do with a woman we never marry. Because not what the woman we never marry think, the one we marry think. Do you see the difference now? You see, in this Moscow, there are some girls that we say that as soon as I enter this country, I will never do anything with a black boy in my life.
Hi.
She mean it, but you know how it will break when you don't get some black girls now when they date black boys. They live together. They go to tell them good about black boy because to enter black boy in Moscow is like enter a court. Not be enter it come out is a problem. Your boyfriend feel leave you now. If they go now, another one come from nowhere. Use Bible of Romeo and Juliet. Put for your head. It change. So now when they come home now, they go tell the girl say, my guy get in friend, the roommate, a very good guy. You know that the guy not good guy because if your boyfriend tell you to find girlfriend to his friend, believe me, the friend girlfriend go to find for your own man. You understand what I mean? So now they will start to deceiving the girl, telling the girl that black boy, my black boy buy me an iPhone. Now she buy him. My black boy pay house rent for me.
Please go ahead.
Now she they pay. Because they see that the girl is very happy because get black boy when they do and waiting they do others. Now they forcing her to do it. Now you go fall for one boy now. You go not finish. So one thing, this program not supposed to be who cheat pass. Believe me, you can't stop man cheating. It's nature for them. You understand what I mean now? Okay. But there is a woman, there is a man. He can cheat the whole earth. But the respect they give a woman, he can't cheat somebody we know a woman. You get my point now?
Yeah.
He can't cheat with friends we know a woman. That respect of woman will be for the woman. Because let me tell you something. There is a girl now, you ask him out now. You go follow another guy. And if they see how the boy they treat him, you go know the guy know what anything. You get my point? Then the issue here is that let us tell ourselves the truth. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
When a man gets a woman, everybody cheat, including me. Even 2 days ago, I go, they catch me, I go to come back. My wife, no. So as I'm telling you now, when I come, I buy even flour or vino, even if they call me baby, I miss you, all those kind of things, But you get some men where go they do all this such thing. They go they very mean to their wife. They go to treat them bad. Or their girlfriend. You understand? They shout without me, you know, go be alive. Let me tell you, relationship. One person is supposed to be a fool. If everyone does smart, the relationship will go work. You see, in this Moscow, you get somebody where I see here and they don't hear me. They call me. I don't call him, but it's Elite Agowan. So make I find who they call Agowan here. That one, where if I want to know when he talk to my girlfriend is when I enter my any gear where I fuck I enter them. I know say the guy enter. If he enter, they don't scatter everywhere. You understand?
Hold up, please go ahead.
One, women no cheat because of this man get 6-pack, get this, get money. You get my way, get money, you know the shop. The most important in relationship is that when you have a woman, the hand is started from the first day. Use it to move forward. You can never get calling with that girl. You get my point? But when you always telling the girls a lot of things, but you can't do that, you understand? Because if you get money, you don't chop with your girlfriend. There's somewhere you're chopping the money now. There's somewhere you're chopping the money. The girl not a fool. You understand? But as always telling Moscow girls, not every relationship they end in marriage. Anybody will tell you say one marry you, look and well, now you defeat that. How somebody when you defeat go marry you, he go believe you. No be
Hold up, please go ahead.
You know, as I tell you yesterday, as you be there here now, if you be open matter anyone in Moscow, say you go marry and that woman na fool if I agree.
Hold up.
You understand?
Go ahead.
Because I know you be well. Yesterday I want 100 dino small, but the program no work well. You understand? But maybe another day that kind of program will come out again. So here, what I want to tell women is that if you really love a man you are with, learn him and know what he wants and what he likes much. You know, don't do because you do. Because imagine you there with your man now, even because he cheat on you. Now you don't become side chick to another guy where you get girlfriend. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who?
Please go ahead.
When you are dating any man, you are getting quarreling with your man. Never tell your girlfriend. It's very dangerous. Maybe that girl is jealous of you. You go put fire for your head. You go leave the man good. Next time you go sell for the man's house. Who lose? You know? So the point here is that be with a man who will guide you, respect you, and you will respect yourself too. You understand? I see some people.
I'm calling Dino now. Dino, after this Agujeb, I'm calling you, please, okay?
I see some people are here saying that man who cheat, he pass woman, woman cheat, he pass man. These are in a fallacy. Man can never stop cheating. Any man, when they come say no, they cheat pass. You understand? The point here, how do you do the cheating? Do you take care of your woman?
Yeah, the advice you have for them, you know, for the both sides.
I don't have advice for men because men no go change. Now woman I will give advice now because
Okay,
if African culture make and say man can do anything without anything. All these things they enter our blend, would they behave anyhow? So you can't change it now. You understand what I mean? So that woman we need to advise. You want to go? How, because the devil you know is better than angel. He doesn't know.
Whoa,
you understand?
Whoa.
You know. Second thing I want to say about all this cheating thing. Let me tell you, especially in Moscow here. There is two things black girls date black boy in Moscow. Before, not now. One, who will guide the person, protect her in this Moscow. Secondly, for her to have daily sex and enjoy herself. You get my point now? Then now, the same girl that coming to your place to enjoy it, you come to your house now, on a day 5, live in the house. You get my point now? Maybe when one enter inside, they do 5 days for kitchen, they smoke, they talk. Then the girl no go scream the way it's supposed to scream because you know that screaming it is sweet well. You understand? You know you go they do like our mother then. You understand?
Go ahead.
So now the highest respect a man will give a woman, as far as I'm concerned, is the way you sleep with your woman, the way you live in your house. You understand? Living with your friends, with your girlfriend, will lead to cheating too because it's not a respect. You understand? Because when I live alone. When I never marry, I live alone. I always live alone. And then I'm Marco. If I did, you don't know who I did do to. You understand? Because when you deal with people in the house, you understand? Because a man they cheating, another girl they come that house. And the worst part when they pay girls be say, they see him like your woman. When they come, all your guys go tell us, oh, baby, we miss you. Oh, but now, this t-shirt you wear now, and then they just move out for your body 2 hours ago, they go house. You know, all those boys waiting for your house, they do for back, see, I mean, don't come, make it go, make it dead if I come. You know, all those things. So all those, I just give it. All those things, when those guys, they notice all those things, it depends them deep. They're going to say they don't know what anything for you, you know value them. You know, say some men, they talk rubbish. Some men, if you don't talk of woman, they talk, what they going to tell a woman, if you don't like Jesus Christ, you go heaven. You know, why are you lying? You understand? You see, I know, you know, the problem we have is that the first word would they use when we pursue woman, what would they promise? How would they say we are the best? How would they say we are the best man on earth? You understand? When he enter the skate, come out, blow, then another thing where I tell woman we say, you see this artificial anyash, artificial blessed, all this nonsense artificial thing, you know they're good. Be original. Be original. That will lead man to shit because man see you for club now. He like you or in the city, he like you because of the way you dress. You understand? If you carry you go house now, you don't remove everything now. You dey like abakereke woman, you know, which is very bad. So what make that man not go cheat on you? Always be original of yourself. You understand? I want to give one example because I always use myself to I make somebody know say I call in them. But I use my own example. When Ade was Ade, no be now, Ade no be Ade again. When Ade was Ade, if I can see prospect,
Wall up.
For in club,
Go ahead.
I see one girl. I don't know say the girl we are old. You know what they call her? This is when they make somebody tall. You wear Lamo. I give a number on Monday. Call me. I did for you. I don't know say the girl live in the same street with me. You know what she tell me? He tell me that she coming from school side. So that when I come, I will give her the money of going and come back. The features of her now. You don't know say that from school side to Vihino. I know him. Within 5 minutes, come the ring bell. I don't know say her because now summer, you don't remove the shoe. We are straight pass now. We are normal now. The ring bell. When I look, the person where I see their church. What's there for my mind is say, which girl will come with him bad luck this afternoon? Where my baby they come from? You go start that. You know? I don't know say that she don't come. I don't know say don't remove the shoe because the wife. You understand? I don't open the door. She first go. After 30 minutes, she come tell me say, when you don't open the door for me, I tell her say, who I see for my door is the wife, no be you. He said, na she. I tell her say, you see that fake woman? They don't wear a bowler high. You understand? So always be original. And secondary, when you get equality with your man, don't talk too much because they insult man rich in forefathers. Their insult, they cause a lot of things. You understand? And when you know that you have a man, you don't have to give any man your number. That number is very dangerous for your life. Because now he will start to dig in. Who is this guy dating this girl? He will give you information where you don't supposed to know. Just because of one night, he will use you, he will leave you alone. Because no black boy in this month will no get girlfriend. Anybody will say no get girlfriend, come out here, come tell me.
I know get.
So as you are talking, begin listen now. As we are talking, so who go tell me say get one girlfriend where I go give you now? Now Wizzy because he only hold her for neck. You know get because they come full everywhere. You understand? So if I think the guy use even in then do the Instagram, I don't know. Make I no talk.
We get many Wizzy. We get many Wizzy for Russia, please.
You know Wizzy where they talk now. Wizzy, I might not be Wizzy where they play music. Now Wizzy is Wizzy. They know they too. You know. I don't tell him, you go bring her for hot seat here one day, make her tell him word, you understand? I don't want to talk now for him. But, gears, please, if you love your man, don't cheat because he cheat. Don't cheat because your girlfriend tell you say he dey cheat. Your man they cheat. What I want to tell on be say, if you get a man, focus in your man and what bring you in this Moscow. This is two things you have in this Moscow. Your man and what bring you here is only two things you have in this Moscow. And when you see that you don't get what you are expecting from your man, you can move forward in your life. You understand? Don't they there? They think say, if I live here now, my friends go laugh me. Now laugh, you go eat. Make them laugh you, now make you move forward. You understand? So some girls go there in relationship, then they die there. Because of what people will talk, because they will come out, they boast. My girlfriend buy me iPhone. My girlfriend pay my house rent. My girlfriend send money for Nigeria for me. My husband they build house for me. But now she they do all those things. When you go no say now she they do it when they break up. You go see the boy with another gear. Story go happen. It go happen. So my sisters, make una be careful. We come here to hustle. You understand? Now here I know say woman they pay her rent for man. I know they hear this thing before for Nigeria. You know. Now woman they pay her rent for man. How come a man who they pay her rent for you to go marry you tomorrow? Or if they tell me say as they pay her rent for him, he carry belly tomorrow. Who go to pay the house rent when they born to pick him? That will lead the woman to cheat again because when the man don't have money to feed the children, now he go start cheating to feed the children. You see the point here. So people now know they born pick him out of marriage. We have culture. Any man will say he go marry you, they talk this always. Any man will say he go marry you. Make it call your mama papa for Nigeria. Make when I leave this Moscow marriage, you know they learn again. No marriage in Moscow. Only few people already do the marriage in Moscow. Go church and marry. The parents, you know. Do you know that you get some people who are picking for a man in this Moscow? The man will go Nigeria, you know, go even greet the parents of the even the parents of the man will go say the man come Nigeria, come back. Which kind of life is that? That one a life. So let's advise our sisters. Let's forget about man cheat or man no cheat. Don't go stop man cheating. The only thing to advise our girls, make them open their eyes. Do what bring them come here and go home and start a new life. This country is better for men, not for women. Men have a lot of opportunity to make the money. You know? So our girls, please, make them open one eyes. You know, if money is not everything. It's not that you must date who leash or who no leash. But that's who give you advice, who get brain to lead you out of destruction. It's most important thing. You give man, we go to give you money, go to fuck even your gear, even gear with around you, even your best friend, all those things. They want the gain of the money. If you go and say, give me see this one fucking money yesterday. Do you like it? And they come say your man get money. Your guy get motor, but now you they put fuel for the motor. Not because the crazy.
Hold up. Please go ahead.
So sometimes make una learn. Make one open one eyes. Because it may be get some gears where come this World Cup now. Some old gears where they must could advise them now. They go tell they say they be cargo now because nobody want them. That's why they advise them. Please, gears, make one no advice on a follow gears because who no go. Anything where you tell them go be insult to them. Leave them, make they go enter come out. As I'm telling you, last 2 months, I carry one boy go hospital. What thing happen? You go drink Tamadol and the bullet. Go top gear alone. The thing stand. Let me go call not they can go hospital. Put a POP in a prick.
Hold up, please.
Because now what thing they make them? All those gears, now what thing they make them they follow the one where they do 2 hours, 5 hours for on top of them. If be horse, now fuck you go eat. Then for our black girls, we're married or they serious with their man. You see, when you decided to be serious with a man, put sex by the side because it's nature. When you get girlfriend, they can't go, but if you wanna go, they join yourself. If you wanna feel the fuck every day, better. Immediately you wanna live together. It's different type of game. It doesn't mean that he don't love you anymore, but it's nature. If you can't go, if you don't want more to do, never. If you touch him, you go to pen and not be saying no love. Now nature. It happens even to our parents. You know, but because you know, let me tell you something. When we come Russia, I knew. Even when you did Nigeria, they say we would they fuck, we would they know they fuck, they play. That I know, but now they use that no be their food now. Because what thing cause and be say all this food when they eat, when they make their body they do cha what the fuck, they don't carry and go Africa. Indomie, macaroni, Maggi, we don't they chop and there. Now woman go there now you go to feed to fuck. What thing that they happen 90s, 80s because of the type of food we eat. Before now man they learn now woman they learn from man from now man they learn. Maybe I want to you more. Before woman no fit open mouth tell him boyfriend say I want fuck today. But today then they talk am. Maybe I want you to tell my body they do me somehow. Imagine. Then if you dey audit for sex, imagine we Africans. If your man travel to Nigeria now, stay 1 month, 2 months, do you know that he can never be comfortable because you gonna say my woman like sex. What in who they do and now for here? A man no go there one place. So when you live with a man in the house, there's a lot of things we do. The man, let me tell you, before when we were small, during our parents don't know our mother. And somebody they find our the wife for them. But in our generation now, before you marry, you must date. From date, you will know if this man or this woman can be yours. Based on character, you go see for that on date. Because anything where at the top, and they use Moscow, they do example. You don't see those 5 years, 6 years ago, they are single today. They are men who are supposed to marry them now, don't marry another girl put for house because of the character. Because those girls, they think say, I be fine girl, you go be fine girl forever. Any girl where they here 10 years now, if you get standing mirror in your house, go naked, look yourself in that mirror, and imagine 5 years ago how you look like.
Wall up, please, go ahead.
Prick if he lies and follow, but if blessed fall, it don't fall. No jack go jack him up. So, all this nyaga way that they do you imagine what come? Those new boys come. Those girls leave us to follow these small boys. They don't know say these small boys they're wise than us. When we there in Nigeria, there's nothing like JMS. There's nothing like YouTube in the phone. Those boys they don't dare wise past us. They know a lot past us. They don't do even they in Nigeria. They hear about Moscow story. They come. You understand? So what I'm telling our girls here is that, believe me, it's not a must. You must date you. You can date till you go Nigeria, make your life good. If you enter Dake in this country, and they talk with experience, and be Dake. If you enter Dake in this country, you go use you finish unless he get someone who think that he have his own sister too. He go treat you like as he will treat your own sister, because you know say we come here to hustle and make money and go home. She will lead you the way you will go back to Nigeria. I'm happy. You understand? Not that somebody will go tell you, say, let me tell you, if somebody say here, say, man, the jealousy. Man, no, the jealousy. Make I tell you the secret of a man. Man, no, the jealousy. What thing they do us be say, make them not say, this guy fuck my baby. No, be jealousy be that one. Because you could imagine. So this guy go, they scream the way they scream for me, for this guy. Man, no, the jealousy. You understand? Man, there's 2 types of engagement now in Moscow that learning. Number 1, to give woman belly, to hook and down, make another man no go there.
Wall up. Please,
that is the worst one they do, and those guys don't get brain. You understand? You get something I say yesterday. If you get a guy here, you know, so if you want to scatter woman brain, if your mama call him or our wife, you don't finish. They're not the way anybody tell away go here again. But those girls forget say every boy where they this Moscow is guy man. Even this Moscow, do you know see go there this Moscow they use Moscow Nigeria number for this Moscow. You go give a friend of you, a girlfriend of another girl number, tell us make you call your girlfriend as Nigeria call. They call him Yawo in your mama. You go believe.
Wall up, please go ahead.
They're gonna destroy them. Because what thing they want. No be how many hours man they on top of you is sex you. And they tell you the truth. You get to where man go touch you with the head, with the eyes, with the everything, you go to shout. You go not say woman they mess from Toto. You understand? So what I want to tell you be say, man is their second name is cheating. The dog they eat carry for mouth.
Okay.
Now the issue. Man, my own advice for you: if you the shit, you know the shit.
Sorry, sorry, hold up, sir. Please, I never say Daniel Queen is typing. Daniel Queen is typing. I don't understand that. Please go ahead, sir.
He asked me which Daniel.
No, I did just type now. Say Daniel Queen is typing. This is what I did just said now.
Okay. I don't want to make I visit him. Or make I leave him, Abi? Make I leave him.
No, leave him.
Okay. So, man, the point here is that if you the shit, take care of your woman.
Melody, how far?
Take care of your woman. Woman, respect your man. The devil you know is better than the angel. He doesn't know. Make I tell you another thing now. Now men gossip past women for Moscow now. Now men gossip past women in Moscow now.
Whoa.
There's no place where you could go. Men know everything about the gears. Make I tell you something. Maybe you think your man no they serious. Your man they fuck up. Believe me, we just smart now. We know where you go yesterday. We know where you go yesterday. But you go come home, you go do like you don't know anything. Until the day when you go finish a home game. You go tell you say, you know go to the house 2 days ago. You know go with the house because now Wizzy be professional. You know go with the house yesterday.
Whoa,
you know.
Hold up. Please,
so,
go ahead.
You know say why I like Wizzy be say why Wizzy on dead angel be say you know say that motor get AC. That golf you get AC. Have you seen golf where get AC in this world? Now only Wizzy own. You understand? Even in the winter, even in summer AC they work. So if they use them, they finish them. So somebody said that I dislike fan boys. I know this like them. You understand? I like them well, because they help us well. If not, some of us don't die on top of woman. They help us a lot. You know, I respect them. But the most important here is that, believe me, the most important thing for girl and boys in this country is to get paper. And how you do get this paper? Money oyibo or money oyibo. You can marry oyibo get that. It doesn't matter. You understand? Your boyfriend can encourage you to marry oyibo for you to get paper. As he gets his own. You know, they stop you. You know? But sometimes is that we know they encourage our girls. We don't encourage them. And girls, any man that not encouraging you, you are just a sex machine for him. Believe me. Any guy when they date you, never when they call you, sit you and tell you, say, baby, when are you going to leave this Moscow? How can I help you to leave this Moscow? How can I help you to live good life? Any man will never call you, sit you down, discuss this type of matter. Leave that man. Leave that man. As I'm telling you now, what you know, I book time for 12 o'clock. I have some programs, some people that invited me to make speeches in their forums. You understand? You know, because I they talk my own as he be, and they look face you. Me, I 6 years ago, I no go tell you 6 years ago, I do. I go enter one house, I go finish everybody there. But now, I'm not telling you that I change. I change better than before. Because when you have many girlfriends, you can never get comfort. You know, if you deal with one, if they fear make the other one no call you. The same thing, likewise, women. You go deal with your guy friend, you go put your phone for aeroplane. Make call no they enter. From there, you go miss important calls. The station we did, advice why they give again. But after this lockdown, this will change. Any person where you hold and tight, especially girls I'm talking about. Any man where you hold and tight, this lockdown will change a lot of things. The mentality of Oyibo will change toward us. We'll be black. So we will always think what will happen in the next 5 days, not only what will happen today. There is no friendship in Moscow. The friend you have in Moscow, somebody maybe on know for Nigeria come here. But as good as on a day for this Moscow, if money no enter your friend hand, you no go no say na your friend yo. Now that time you go know. So as I tell you, everybody dey here for his own. Who no go know. My sisters we don't dey here a long time. If you see all those girls we come for World Cup, those girls, no advise them. Anything we advise them is insult to them. They will call you old cargo. You know, leave them to put head. They see what you see. They go see what you see. What make you go become baby mama by force? We're supposed to marry before. Then with money, they do chakala. They do chakala if you find girl.
Hold up, please go
so,
ahead.
The girls were con new. All those my advice for those girls were con new. You see, who no go. You go to see us or go to see old sisters. You go to say they be old cargo. Believe me, if they tell you what they go through, my sister, you go no say you are on fire. The worst part, how come a girl will be in Moscow 10 years ago? They date a boy come 1 year ago. What that boy know about your experience? The boy know experience of Moscow. It's like Nigeria embassy. If you go to embassy, you no go see anybody will study here, will be diplomat. When you go there, they tell them your problem. They don't go understand you. Go to any embassy in this country. 90% of their employee is studying here. They know Russian culture. So, if you want to play a game, a girl, play a wise game. Be with a man. You know, there is some man way before you. I know the time every man will be intelligent or be smart or go help you. You know.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hope everyone is learning. Hope everyone is learning from Aguje Bewan. All here, Biafra, Biafra for life. IPOB forever. Nnamdi Mazikalo is our leader, and he's saying the truth. The 20 Chinese where they bring on Nigeria, we don't know where they do.
I want to say something. Anybody, Zubi, anybody who want to contact me, I get a page in Facebook. They call it Aguje Laugh. If you go there, you will join the column. You understand about life. You know. So,
sir, say the name again, please. The platform name.
Aguje Feel Good and Laugh and Feel Good page.
Aguje Laugh and Feel Good. Please, guys.
Yeah.
Go and join that forum. Go and join that Facebook, okay?
Come there and join us. Because when a woman rejects a husband or a boyfriend because she cheated on him and rejected and divorced him and moved to become a side chick for another man who is full, not be the woman. So let's see it here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you for your advice. God bless you. Keep supporting our show. Go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Zubi.
Oh, roll up. I'm calling Dino right now. I'm calling Dino right away. Please, guys, stay tuned. I'm calling Dino. I'm calling Dino right away. Please, guys, stay tuned. We are learning a lot this afternoon. We are learning a lot. Please, if Dino is online, someone should tell him okay, he's here. I'm calling Dino right away. Our senior brother Aguje have said a lot of points. He mentioned a lot of things. Hope you guys, not me go talk when I hear from the horse's mouth. I beg. Boo. Dino, please, I'm calling Dino. Dino, please, if you are here, I'm calling you back, okay? Whoa, roll up. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Well. It's your boy LJ, man, calling from Moscow City.
Big shout out to you, LJ. Big shout out to my Moscow family right now. Please, LJ, does a money question show with Don Zubi, and our topic and our question goes this way. In a relationship, who cheats most, men or women?
Well, I have to be sincere. Normal life. Now men shit pass.
Whoa! Roll up. Please go ahead.
Yeah, men the shit well like normal. But guess the men with the shit too. Both parties the shit, but now men shit pass. Because some niggas just get like,
tell us the reason.
Guy figure like maybe say 10 girlfriends, 5, 6. But it's difficult for one girl to get like, let's say 10 boyfriend or 6 boyfriend. So with that particular reason, a guy's shit pass.
Okay.
That is my own view. Yeah.
So,
but some guests alternatively, some guests in day, normal life, we be say, they figure like, maybe say five boyfriend who they run shows on code. Guests on their own parts, many day. So the individual difference. Some guests, they be say shit pass men. You understand? Some men, they be say this, they just think they okay, they know the shit, normal level. If you just with 1 babe, 2 babe like that, but it's very difficult. Like that man said, no. It's very difficult for nigga to deal with just only one girl from Moscow. You understand?
So
she's the on men nation.
How many girlfriends did you have? Please, how many girlfriends?
They don't write you.
Nobody write me, please.
Zubi, that question get you a day.
No, because he said, you know why I asked you the question? He said here in Moscow, so many guys they have like.
Yeah, it's difficult for any guy. I just advise guests generally. We say the reason it's difficult for any guy. Yeah, to say no get girlfriend. I lie. Not believe that talk. If you be gay, no let them nigga they say I don't have a boyfriend. Blah blah blah. Now lie. Or any guy to say I not get girlfriend. I mean, now lie. Every guy for this country gets at least 2, 3. You understand? No guy go say no get babe for this country. If you be gay, you just deceive yourself. Like that man talk one word I like Nana. You see some babe go leave their boyfriend where they know with them. Go become side chick to another nigga. You leave your boyfriend, the nigga where you go meet gay girlfriend. Oh. You get babe. At the end of the day, you can't discover, say, you even leave your boyfriend, the devil you know is better than angel. You know understand? You even leave your boyfriend and the reason say that guy na innocent, they wear tie, they wear suit, they form pastor. You leave your boyfriend and you go meet the guy. After the guy don't last you for like 2-3 months, you discover say that guy get like 2 serious babe. When they used to play.
Wall up, please.
At the end of the day, you find out that you become a side chick to that nigga. So it's better you go where you therefore appreciate you who know you. Like this guy, na my guy, normal level. You did there. Whether una the quarter every time, whether the guy that she goes, it's the main nature that we must cheat, normal level. So you just deal with that one, just there, you know, say you deal with her. Not be say you can't move from that guy because you say that must make another point. Men are born to cheat, but for the first say men they cheat, not be yastic for you get to go cheat. You understand? Not be the yastic for you to go shit because I don't date a lot of girls for this country normal level because I know some waiting on the fine 1 year normal life. You understand? I don't date girl where be say if I call this girl for phone, how far where you did, maybe they have so, or if she call me for phone say where you did. Who they used to people that they make comment. I know they do comment section. I'm blind for comment. I mean that was
leave them. Go ahead. I'm making a point.
So, I'm not a preacher of love. I mean that Boski. So make any comment you want to make, no shaking. So this guy, if you call me for phone like this, maybe I not pick call. The next thing don't run on that nigga side. Go the large. Maybe I deal with my friends, so I don't need disturbance. So we do on normal business talk. She not gonna know. You understand? So what I'm saying, essence, not take because your guy is shit. If you follow your relationship, not take because your guy is shit, you can't go the shit. Or you leave your guy because you one guy they form pastor, they wear tight, you look at him and now dope pass. As you go that place, you become side chick after 2 months. You discover. So you become side chick.
Please,
so when you are with
one question for you. Someone commented, how many girlfriends do you get?
Who be that person? I bet call the person name. Call the person, now girl or boy.
Now girl.
What be the girl in that Boski?
Don't pass.
Okay, talking about girlfriend. For now, I'm single. I never get girlfriend.
Wall up, please go ahead.
So if you want how many girlfriend I get, call my phone. I'll tell you personal. You understand? I don't get girlfriend. I just stay single. Only me one.
Okay.
So normal level.
So what is the advice for them? What is the advice for the both sides of the cheating? What is the advice for them?
Yeah, my own like normal level, like that man talk now. That man make a lot of points, you know. If you are into a relationship, if you are a girl, if you are into a relationship with a friend guy, maybe the guy they shit. I will just let you know, so make you just stay pute. Be yourself. Maybe with time, the guy go see reason like, hey, allow the guy constant judge him. Because all human beings with blood, they flow through our vein. We get conscience, we get heart. At the date, you know, I know say you did loyal, you are faithful in the relationship. They are beginning the shit. The girl I go shit rich. I go see reason you like, upon the thing I don't do, this girl seem they faithful in this relationship. You're not giving me reason why not to be shitting anymore. With time, if I get like 5 before, it go come down to 3, it go come down to 2. Because your faithfulness will capture my conscience like, hey, there is no point cheating on this girl. She's been faithful for how many years and this and that. So there is no point cheating. You come down to her level. Maybe 2 of now begin plan life again. But when the guys say, as in the cheat, you yourselves in the carry around, man, how that guy want country they okay with you now? You they give the guy reason to they move, they go ahead. But be patient. You never can tell. So that is for the babe. Nothing say because of your guy they cheat, then you begin to mess around normal level. Give that guy time. Let it constant judge him. Nigga, if he come up for us now, go shit. If he reach us, he say babe, they ask, you not go anywhere, clean everywhere, just like they were. My guy, that guy, man, go touch her like, what are they go look for outside? This girl not the shit, you know they do anything. She's faithful and all that. One day the guy will call himself in order. Trust me, I'm talking from experience. The guy will call himself in order like, hey, I've been doing all this bullshit with my girlfriend, but she's still faithful and all that. You'll see that guy, gradually the guy will calm down. You understand? He will stop those shitting. So I'm saying to all the girls, if your guy the shit, not because your guy the shit begin to mess around. At the end of the day, you lose the relationship. Then for nigga like us, my advice for guys like normal life, shit is not good. Because the more you did shit, the more you drive your girlfriend love away from you. You understand? When you get into a relationship, your girl the find out so you the shit. Indirectly, they push your girl outside. So most times not be girl's fault. Maybe you date into a relationship now. Your girl, people they always call your girl. Man, I find this guy for some year. They lash one girl, they lash this girl. At least human being, blood they flow through our vein. You they give that girl that mind to go shit on you. So maybe at the end of the day, the girl don't go shit. That time you can't discover, say, hey, I love this girl, normal level. Your conscience will begin to judge you. So as a nigga, stop shitting much. You know this time. If man say you they cheat, not make your girlfriend know say you they shit. Any girl where you the date, maybe say you respect, give them that respect. Not make them know say you they shit. They do them on code. You know this time. Just they do things on code. But when you come the show out to the girl face, say you the shit, it means say you don't disrespect that guy in the relationship. Such thing, who is commenting? Just no be you give advice. Now me, boys, the advice I give when I know the reason now. You know this. I'm talking from experience. When you are cheating and cheating and cheating, you they pursue your girlfriend come out. You they reduce the love where your girlfriend get for you. So even when you are doing it, do it with respect. Not go the shit say you go like niggas now. I know many niggas will be say when you want shit, some you go the shit on their girlfriend friend. You defend this girl now. You can't go the cheat with maybe a friend. You see such thing. If man say the girl even love you before, that love will reduce immediately. So it's better you go far away from the vicinity of your girlfriend where you date. Go do that thing, and not the make her know to her. So that is just my advice for niggas. When you do it, don't do it close to your girlfriend. You know, just give some space and all that. Because cheating definitely they reduce love. For guys, trust me, would always complain. Maybe this girl not love me and gay. 2 years ago, you people were living good, and they nice together, normal level, no quarrel. But later, you find out say the girl can begin to do one or two things.
Don't cheat.
Now the guy fought. You understand? Because the girl don't see some kind things. Say the guy don't do the overdo. So by so doing, the girl will reduce love, not the girl's fault. You understand? So but when you cheat on code, they're not they see you on code. Normal level.
Break finish.
You say what?
No, someone say break the table finish.
I just give my little advice. I don't have much to say.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you for your calling. God bless you for your time. Elijah has said his mind. Please, if you want to believe it, believe it. If you don't want to believe it, leave it. Thank you for joining us, Elijah. Thank you.
Yeah, bless up, man. Bless up.
Some say I should call Zaggy. Man, everybody have their own opinion. But I still stand on my own. Guys, men know they cheat past women. I still stand. Yes, we know they cheat past women. Please, Dino, please, if Dino is watching me, please, Dino, I'm calling you. I don't know whether you're online or not. Please, send me a request. Let me take you, Dino.
What's
up? Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Banks. I'm calling from Moscow.
Big shout out to you, Banks from Moscow. Please, we can't see your face.
No, my face is not available at the moment.
No, we need to see your face, bro. We need to see your face, please.
My face is not available at the moment.
If you are not showing your face, we can't take your call, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Please, we are not ghosts. Please, if you want to speak to us, face us one-on-one and talk to us, okay? Please. Zaggy. Whoa.
Ah.
Whoa. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Zagadoski, calling from Lagos.
Okay, Zagadoski from Lagos. Please, just a money question show.
I don't cry tired.
Relax. Just a money question show with Don Zubi. And our first question and our topic goes this way. In a relationship, who cheats most? Who
Zubi,
cheats?
Now women, don't cheat pass.
Please, give us the reason, please.
Women don't cheat on you. All those guys when they call saying a man. I don't understand. Okay, come to normal thing of it. Now man, they cheat pass. Who are we cheating with? Is it not someone's girlfriend? Oh, when they make me mad. When they make me mad, I swear.
Wall up. Please go ahead.
Guys, what they talk say na man cheat pass. Woman don't cheat on you. Let me tell you, I reverse, I cry since. When we say I see my fellow guys they fuck up. I'm not talking about marriage. I never married. For a relationship, Now woman, now then cheat pass.
Hold up. Please go ahead.
Now woman, now then cheat pass. Done. Once more, a big shout out to you for our 100 viewers. I see that. Did I get? Zubi, now women.
So what's your reason why you say it's women?
Okay, my reason is here. A man have conscience. Women, they don't get conscience. Okay, like my nigga say now, tomorrow the guy will change. Woman, a hole is a hole. She's not ready to change.
Wall up. Please go ahead.
Someone, okay, Abu Jabba said a girl who had been in Moscow for 10 years just saw a guy who come to Moscow for 1 year and started dating the guy. Hello. The guy is an innocent boy. He's an innocent. He has nothing. Okay, the girl now, are you trying to tell me that all those why the girl has been single? Even out there, our sweet girl called Rons, that someone's girlfriend, and those guys love them for not knowing who are they. I've been crying, seeing my guys, everybody. Are you saying it because your girl is there with you? Let's call a spell.
Wall up. Please go ahead.
Zubi, women cheat more than men. If your girlfriend eventually go out to club with her friends, hello, Sakam and Jay. Because normally, any girl that gives someone's number is a cheater. Why would you give another guy your number? For what reason?
Whoa. Can I take some water, please?
Take water, bro. You saw someone say, excuse me, what is your name? Can I have your number? What does that guy want to tell you? You see some girls, hello, girls cheat more than men. And you girls don't have conscience when it comes to relationship. We men, we have conscience. We still consider a man can change because he loves you, but a woman cannot change. You people have so many reasons to cheat. A woman can cheat because this guy has flat on me. A woman can cheat because of fuck. A woman can cheat because of money. A woman can cheat because of material things.
Can a woman cheat because of a plate?
Because of what?
Plate. Washing plate.
That's one of the main reasons a woman can cheat on. Okay, Zubi, to break it down with you now, we here in Nigeria, you guys are in Russia, you grab, okay, we are here with our own babe. New Year, celebrate, we really want to celebrate them with them. Valentine, we. Easter, we. Birthday, we. Everything, but just Xmas, a guy will just come back from abroad. They will say, hey, he just came back. Every girl wants a guy who's staying abroad.
Wall up. Please go ahead.
Women cheat more than men. I don't care about what girls are commenting. I'm telling you the fact. For the particular fact that I, Zagadowski, I fuck no less than 5 girls per week. They are someone's girlfriend, for God's sake.
Wall up. Please go ahead.
You as a girl in Moscow, there. Have you forgotten that someone is there in Nigeria, the person that is virgin your virginity? Hello?
Hi.
You guys, because girls are like men cheat. That man saying that women cheat, that men cheat, that he like Abu Jabba said that he went out the first day to go and cheat on his wife and come back. The person you cheat with, is he a guy? Is not someone's girlfriend? It's someone's girlfriend, for crying out loud. You are cheating with someone's girlfriend, and the guy is cheating on his guy. Let's call a spell. And when it comes to relationship, guys love more than women. When it comes to hurt, it hurts us more than women. A guy can break up with his girl, never to fall in love again. It will take him some months. But girl, bam, after that, someone will be crushing on me. They even get money more than you. They will, hello. Guys are here saying that guys shit more than ladies. I'm disappointed. They're not supposed to be a man.
Whoa.
I make it.
Please,
I
my
make it.
brother, please calm down. Please, I know you are very angry right now. Please calm down, Zagadoski Wambada. Please, stay tuned. I'm going to bring you back. I'm coming back after this break. Please stay tuned, guys. Ho, ho, ho.